Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel and to the day 2 of channeling the 10 Mahavidyas. Um, and with this, we are going to today connect with the energy of Tarama, uh, which which really talks about healing, which really talks about gentleness, compassion, empathy, all of those themes, warmth. And I personally, when I have connected to Tarama, you know, things have been things have been really sort of became a lot easier for me to accept. So I think Tarama would somehow really be talking about some gentle messages, some really, yeah, I would say rather healing messages for everyone today who are watching this video. So yeah, I am again and again hearing gentle messages. So yeah. So let's get started with the reading today. So I'll be using my Lightseers Tarot deck for this. So let's get started. Tarama. So I already feel there is something about slowing down that is coming up right now. Tarama. Okay. Messages from Tarama for the collective. Messages from Tarama for the collective. Okay, this one also. Yes, I think that is all. So I will show you the cards. First of all of that came through right now. Firstly, we have the Five of Wands reversed. I hope it is visible now. Yeah. The Five of Wands. Okay. The Five of Wands reversed. The Chariot. It is visible. Yeah. The Sun. The King of Swords. Yeah. The Nine of Wands. The Judgment card. Look at the green, in the background of it. ये थोड़ा सा ब्लू दिख रहा है शायद कैमरे में, बट ये ग्रीन है. Okay. And the Ace of Swords, ending your reading. And from the back of the deck we have the Four of Wands. We also have the Six of Cups beneath it, which I feel is coming out right now. So we will use this. Yeah. Okay. So the message that I'm getting for you, I think the first thing is, Tarama is talking about a lot of forgiveness here. First of all, if you have been, one of those people who find it difficult to forgive, who find it difficult to, move on with things in life, the message here is, you already have that capacity within you. You already have that ability within you to move on from things, to actually look, or like walk the walk the path, and walk the next steps, I would say. So ये मैसेज मुझे आ रहा है आपके लिए कि यू हैव द केपेबिलिटी विद इन यू, यू हैव द एबिलिटी विद इन यू. एंड आई फील यहाँ पे जो लोग आए हैं, ऑल ऑफ दोज पीपल हियर, you guys already know what is the importance of forgiveness. And even if you don't know right now, I think you will really realize it through your own experiences in the very near future. And the time that I'm actually getting is till the end of 2026. If you are watching this in 2026, or if you're watching at some other time, then you know probably in the end of that year in which you're watching. So I am getting that energy. And one another thing that really comes up here is that Tarama is really talking about uh, a lot of support around you, not just ओके. सो इफ़ यू फील दैट कि आपके आसपास सपोर्ट नहीं है, बट यहाँ पर तारामा जिस सपोर्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, या जो मेरे थ्रू वो कहलवा रहे हैं, वो ये है कि द सपोर्ट इन द एस्ट्रल, द सपोर्ट इन द स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड, वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है. एंड आई थिंक वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं इस थीम में आने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं, of forgiving, of really moving on with things in life, of really letting go things. तो यस. एंड एक और चीज़ जो यहाँ पे तारा माँ बताना चाहती है वो ये है कि शी नोज़ दैट थिंग्स हैव बीन डिफ़िकल्ट टू यू. शी नोज़ दैट इट हैज़ बीन डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू एक्सेप्ट दोज थिंग्स, बिकॉज आई थिंक it might have happened that things actually happened around you at a much faster rate than the rate of you processing them, I feel. And since you couldn't process them as they happened, which is obviously very normal, so Ma is helping you to actually accept those things, and really forgive any circumstances, forgive any of those people, I feel. Yeah, maybe I am hearing even forgive God for some things, yeah, something around those lines. So ये सारी चीज़ों में I feel, yeah, Tarama is really helping you in all of these things. And one more thing that I'm getting here is that Tarama is really coming here and telling that she is boundless. She is really she somehow is representing herself in this reading right now as in white color. I'm seeing the color white. And the thing about white color is that it is said, if you add all the colors, if you really I would say, yeah, I think if you would really add all the colors, or yeah, I think, I'm not really sure, but I think as a science में there is something that if you would add all the colors you'll get white or something. And the symbolism that I'm getting here is that Tarama is talking about that she is really mixing all the she is really mixing all the themes of your life into one, which is peace here. And peace is signified by the color white. Now Now, as I said, that all the colors are being mixed here. So every color actually represents a certain, certain feeling, a certain emotion, a certain theme. So, she is saying that, like, just like green represents happiness, just like yellow represents confidence, orange represents creativity, red represents grounding, uh, purple represents, the crown, the connection to the god, and blue represents, uh, yeah, the dark blue represents the intuition, and the light blue represents the throat, the expression. So she's saying that all of these emotions, all of these themes are combined to give us one important theme, that is peace. And now this peace that I'm talking about is not just, you know is not just world peace we're talking about, obviously, but we're talking about the peace within the soul, the inner peace here. And Tarama is really coming forward and telling us to really, emphasize peace in life, really. It's like, all of these themes actually end to one, or all of these themes actually narrow down to one particular theme, the most important one, which is peace. Yes. Another message that I'm getting here from Tarama is that she is really talking about if you feel that you're alone, in your world, in your life, there are people coming for you, and it's like all of those people are really bringing that energy of openness, of, that energy of empathy, that energy of love into your life. So I think anyone who is watching this reading, if you really had an inkling towards, or a nudge towards sorry a nudge towards, you meeting different people in the coming time, so I feel this is a confirmation for you, because I feel from the beginning of this reading I did got that message. So yeah. One more thing that Tarama would like to bring on is, I think I would like to use a tarot deck here for this purpose. Yeah, I would like to use the Kali Oracle. For this one. Okay, one fell down. Okay, so what message would you want to give the collective right now, Tarama? Okay, these two, we're taking those. Okay. More, please. Okay. Thank you for that. Yes, that is what I was getting. One more shuffle. Okay. You take only those cards which are the flip or fall spirit. Okay. This one was falling, so we'll take this. Okay. That is okay. One more card I'm getting. Okay, these two. Okay, finally. We have all the cards now. Yes. Okay. So let's see now. So we have Kali Yantra here. Guya Kali. Kali Mahamaya. Yeah. Dakshina Kali. Yuga Shakti. And yeah. And Devi Ma Kali. Yeah. Okay. So with all of these cards, we just arrange them quickly here. Okay. So I think first of all, जिन लोगों तक भी मैसेज आ रहा है, like to whoever this message is going right now, I think you have been in a lot of active energy. Okay, so I had some storage issues, so I had to wait. So coming back to the message now, in an active energy for some time. I feel a lot of people here have been, and I feel you message this message is coming for you at a time where I think you aren't taking much actions, or you are, or I would say in a passive energy. Yes, you are in that passive energy. I feel that. So the message here, take some rest, is really coming for you to take some time to really get to some deeper parts of yourself. So getting really exploring some side. You have some idea that you aren't really sure you about don't it. Have, or exploring certain sides of yourself. Maybe some creative hobbies if you have, or it can be. I feel that just, I would say, exploring your feel that it is important for you to really question some sides of you. When I said that, I meant really you have to really explore getting some into sides certain of you, part, then expressing of you which are really vulnerable. Really, maybe journaling about those things, or maybe talking about those things would actually help you to actually get some grace in accepting those things. I feel I feel like if you do things of really journaling and talking about certain vulnerable things in your life, if you do these, then I feel you would actually start to accept them sooner than you realizing that. So here I am getting, and one last thing that I'm getting here is that Tarama would actually you really feel would want to say here that if I would say a bit lost at certain times, so you can actually to the divine, you can actually wear the color green, or actually keep the color green around you. I think in or white also so you could actually keep the color white also around you, or light a white candle to actually connect Okay, so I was talking about here that to connect to Tarama, you can use the color green and white actively in your life in whichever way you would want. Uh, I think any other messages. I think that is all I'm getting for you, collective here from Tarama. So if you feel you connected to this reading, or आपको लगता है कि you are really interested in learning more about, maybe I would say just getting messages from the 10 Mahavidyas, you can watch the other readings as they come through for every goddess. So I think that is all for today. Again, it is a general reading, so take what resonates, leave the rest. And if you like how I read cards, you can like, share, or subscribe to this YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I would really appreciate this. Uh, and I don't think it wouldn't take away much from anyone or anything in doing that. So, yeah. Uh, Thank you for watching this reading, and I shall see you in my next reading. Until then, take care. Lots of love. Bye.